Hi everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 70 divided by 70 divided by 70 times 70. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. In this expression we have two divisions and one multiplication. As we know, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. Okay, so first this division, then this division, and finally this multiplication. 70 divided by 70 gives us 1. So we have 1 divided by 70 times 70. Okay, and now this division, 1 divided by 70. We can write 1 over 70. So 1 over 70 times 70. We can easily cancel this 70 and this 70. So we have just 1. So our final answer to this problem is just 1.